Well, things got interesting real quick. I got a notification the package was delivered and it wasn't at my house, and I had a heart attack. So I hopped in the car ASAP Rocky style and made like 3 laps around the neighborhood. Luckily I found my neighbors outside and there was a box, and I read BC Racing and I was like, thank you bejesus. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you some coil boys. Them coily boys. Shall we see what we got up in here? Up in here. Mine gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here. Hey, that's fancy pants right there. Okay, let's give you guys a glancer of this stuff for the Lancer. Got the tools on top. You can always use an extra set of those. I always lose them. Alright. Got some officialness. The official paperwork stuff. Let's see what they look like. Pull out this bottom strut. Yep. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. I think this is going to be a big improvement, y'all. So I think I'm going to go ahead and make this a short one. Wrap it up, and I'm going to get to installing this because I literally can't contain myself. Alright, we'll catch you out here on the next video. Peace.